Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Holiday, Florida, and we're at Knorr's Car Care Center on alternate 19. And we just put in an epoxy floor in their waiting room, bath, back office. So this was a full grind with baseboards. Polyspartic top coat, and this color is Raven. So here in the bathroom, what we did was we built a cove before putting in the baseboards. And what that does is it keeps all the moisture off the wall onto the floor and will help keep the bathroom clean. We did put 2 coats of polyspartic on here just because it's a bathroom. And we did suggest to the customer that they remove their fixture before we did the floor, because that allowed, if they ever change their minds about the fixture or replace it, the floor will still be there. And here's the office. Job looks great. I can't wait to turn it over to the customer. They're anxious to see their floor. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.